Yeah, Prince Albert na nga. Nakita ko na yung ano dun eh. Late lang yung pag ano ko na video.
Ah, mayroon welcome ano?
Yeah, Prince Albert.
Meron?
Meron. Nandun sa may ano. Kaya
grabe naman yung cemetery nila dito, daanan lang.
Hey no.
Ayun yung cemetery nila. Nandyan lang.
Sa entrance ng ano mismo ng Prince Albert.
Hindi ko nakita to.
Place.
O mag-picture lang tayo dito sa harapan muna.
The Carlton Comprehensive High School.
Suggested user.
Parang katulad ng doon sa
music, African music tonight. Come and party with us at 6 o'clock. But before that, we are going to do our draw.
Pag umika pa rin, malo.
You don't need to be here if you cannot.
Ito tayo oh. Katingin mo dito.
Please just put your name and your contact info.
Oh, cute naman ito. Gusto ko
And then we are also giving a
sa kanan to, di ba?
If you are here joining us at 6 o'clock tonight, you will get another door
Santa
raffle
Workshop.
tickets. And then there's wonderful prizes again that we will be giving away. I think there's some jewelry, Leon's. Just set it up properly. But before we do that, I would like to say thank you. Huge thank you to our funders, sponsors, and partners, making it possible for us to gather this weekend. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup, Government of Canada, SAS Lotteries, SAS Culture, Multicultural
Ikot. Sama yung
I have a business card if you want to grab a business card.
oh nga, ayun, cute nito. Ito oh.
Alam ka may hikaw.
akala ko nga puro kwintas, nag-isa sa natin lang.
Oh, maganda yung tatlo. Wow, siya pa nasa harap ko na.
Naka-filter ah. My God ah. Naka-filter. Ganda. Ganda naman eh. Ano, send mo sa akin nasa gitna ako ah. Ayoko na nasa dito. Tsaka maganda sa TikTok. Parang ano eh no?
No.
Hindi yan. Yung TikTok, parang public eh, no?
Yeah.
So kahit di mo friend, makikita nila.